So to get started with adding our Elegant Themes Divi theme here, we're going to need to go to elegantthemes.com. And once you're there, you can actually use the link below in the description. It really helps me out if you use this to keep making these tutorials for free. And once we're there to elegantthemes.com, we're going to need to sign up, and you can just click Join to download. And there's two different plans here that they have. It's the yearly access, $89 per year, and then there's the better deal, which would be the lifetime access. I will say that if you do sign up for this yearly access, you can sign up, and then if you decide to upgrade, you can upgrade for the difference. You may have to verify that with their support, but I did that actually myself previously, so I assume that is the same today as it was back in the past. And this is the plan that I currently have as a lifetime access plan, and it's been totally worth it because I've developed numerous websites for other people using this, and it's paid for itself just in one client alone, or even your own site. It could pay for itself really, but you can also do that with this. Now, you will have all the updates with the lifetime access, and you would have to renew to get that again for the updates that they make to themes and things like this, plugins. So this is definitely the better option overall in my opinion, but this might be the better way to get started, just to test it out and test the water, see if it's for you. So once you join, you can select your plan here. I'll just go through the process, and then you'll just sign up, and you can pay with PayPal or Visa here and finalize your payment. Now once you do that, you'll also get an email from them, and it will give you confirmation that you are a member. And then I'm just going to go to login now, just like I would do if I was signing in for the first time after I get signed up with them. And once I log in, I'm going to be redirected to this members area, and this area has changed over time. It's a little bit more updated recently, and here you can scroll down and see that there's a lot of different things you can download. If you want to, you can click on themes to look at all the themes that you can download. In this case, the two main themes are right here, Divi and Extra. And what you'll want to do is just click download on Divi here. And then it will download this file. And what you can do is go back here to the Manage Themes tab that we were just in. And we'll click Add New. You actually don't even have to unzip the theme. You can just go to Upload Theme, choose File, and then I'm going to go to Downloads folder, and I'll just click Divi, Install Now. And it may take a little bit for it to install, but that's okay. I'm going to X out of this down here. And there we go. It says that the theme has been successfully installed right here. We're just going to click where it says Activate to activate this theme as our main theme. And now, if you remember, this is what our page looked like, our front page of the site. If we go and refresh this, now it looks completely different. It says Divi. That's how you can tell that it's actually in place. But you can also tell right here, it says active for Divi, and these other ones are inactive. Now, since they're inactive, I'm going to click on where it says Theme Details in the center of 2015, 17, and 2016 theme down here. I'll click in the center of Theme Details, and I'll go to the lower right, and I'll just click Delete and confirm I want to delete it. We're just going to clean it up a little bit and do the same with 2017. Delete. OK. And then 2016. Delete. And then OK. So now we're left with just Divi. And the current theme version may be different than mine, but as long as you have over 3.0, it should work well for this tutorial. For the most part, you should have no problems. Now, I will point out there's also a lot of Divi documentation if you want to look up different things for Divi. And they give you some basics to cover here, as well as basically some other individual things like the modules that we're going to get into. There's so much flexibility with this theme, you're going to just be blown away by it. There's the library, the module, and the module customizer, and there's also additional features as well. There's so much you can cover and so much you can learn. And if you are a member, you'll also be able to use the support section. So if you needed to, you can fill out a support form or look at documentation. And there's also forums that you can look at as well as frequently asked questions. So there's so much you can look into as far as helpful information out there. And within the community, there's also Facebook pages for Divi as well that people could probably help you in if you get stuck. So there's a lot of support, and that's one of the best things about this theme and about elegant themes and the Divi theme in general, is there's so much knowledge out there about this theme. And I'm really just going to scratch the surface within this tutorial. There's so many different things you can do with it. You can build just about any website you can imagine with this. So I'm going to actually X out of the elegant theme site. And now we're going to actually get into using this theme and kind of learning our way around it. Now this is for beginners, so if you are a little more advanced on how to use the builder already, you might want to skip forward in the tutorial a little bit. But if you're a beginner, I'm going to kind of go at your pace and try to go slow through the process of learning how to use the builder. Now it does take time, trust me. I used the back-end builder here in a dashboard for a couple years with Divi, and this front-end builder is still pretty new to me even, so I may get caught up as I'm going along. But don't worry, because it just takes time to develop, and you'll get the hang of it over time. I hope you stick with me as we go through the rest of this tutorial and start building out this site.